Hi guys, I'm Conneaut Austin there, and we're gonna do an unboxing video. I'm gonna open this white box. Let's open that box and see what it is. Oh my gosh! Look at what I got! I got a musical angel bear. And this one plays look at that one. Look at what it says. It's new in box and new with tag. That also has this button. This one also lights up too, and it plays 8 tunes. And his cheeks light up, I guess. Here's his wings and his ring top on his head. He is adorable. I think it needs batteries, but I'm not going to push the button until I change new batteries. I'm going to change the angel bear some batteries and see if this bear works. I'm going to change it some new batteries and see if it works. I changed this angel bear to the new batteries. Yep, I changed that angel bear to new batteries. But the battery compartment is broken. Wait, it's not broken. It's stuck. Yep, but at first, before when I changed the batteries, the battery compartment is stuck. But I already changed it into the new batteries. Let's push his button and see if he works. Whoa! Beautiful music! Really nice music. He's really cute. It works perfectly. His cheeks light up. Look at that. This one's new in box. This one has a new box, and that one also has a new tag. This angel bear works perfectly. Beautiful music. And this one's also has a press here button. He is adorable. He works perfectly too. And his cheeks light up. So goodbye guys, and have a great day. And I'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye, and I'll see you tomorrow, and have a great day.